So the following Primera issue doesn't start. Windows doesn't work, only this driver window works. Heated seat doesn't work, this works. Then the AC doesn't work, but the radio works. And the indicators don't work even with the ignition on, but this emergency light works and it doesn't start. And there's immobilizer codes. So the problem is, and I searched this for 3 days, behind this fuse box, tap those off and it comes off. There's brown relay similar to this one. This is the rear window heater relay. So switch this one with that one and everything works. Because the brown relay behind this box is the ignition switch here. When you turn the ignition on, that relay pulls and it gives power to these. This is the window for these. And I measured here that this is getting the feed voltage and the ground for the direction, but the voltage for the control is wrong. So, and I then searched a lot about the manual, and the problem is behind that brown relay. And this is similar relay, so you can switch this because it's not so important, or buy new one.